வணக்கம். எத்தனை நன்மைகள் செய்தீரையா, அதில் எதற்கென்று நன்றி சொல்லி துதிப்பேனையா. அத்தனையும் சொல்ல வேண்டும் என்றார், அத்தனையும் சொல்ல வேண்டும் என்றார். ஆயிரம் நாவுகள் போதாதையா, நீரின்றி வாழ்வேது இறைவா, உன் நினைவின்றி மகிழ்வேது தேவா. Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are doing good by the grace of God. I am JDR. So you all will be thinking about what this video is all about. This guy is singing song. Okay, so I just thanked God. Whenever I used to start any activity, I used to thank God. Okay, so this video is specifically for differently abled person. When I say differently abled person, the person who has difficulty in walking. Okay, so few may be using caliper, few may be using some supports, or few may be in wheelchair. So differently abled person will be dependent on others to move to different places. So that really reduces the confidence level. Okay, so when during our childhood days, so parents and friends were there to take care of us. But as we grow up and become older, and we get married, we'll be having kids, wife, and our parents becomes older, and we will be having lot of dependence. So this video is all about how to equip ourselves to move to different places, and how this in turn increases our self-confidence. That's what I'm going to take a series of videos. There I'll be explaining what type of car to drive, how to retrofit that, and what is the process of getting the license. Watch out for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more useful information. Until then, it's JDR signing off from you all. God bless you all.